Here are some indoor and outdoor garden backyard ideas to inspire you. Indoor garden ideas. Vertical garden. Create a vertical garden on an empty wall using wall mounted planter shelves for a stand indoor green space. Herb garden. Grow herbs like basil, romaine and mint pots on your kitchen windows sill for easy access fresh hanging plants, suspend trailing plants like photos, spider plants from ceiling and add a touch of greenery to any room. Terrariums build a collection of small gold glass terrariums with various succulents and air plants for a low maintenance indoor garden. Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel 90 Action. So if you like these ideas, like the video and click the subscribers button for latest more interested videos. So here are some ideas about decor our garden. Outdoor backyard garden ideas. Outdoor dining area set up a cozy dining area in your backyard with a pergola, outdoor furniture and potted plants create an inviting space for meals. Zen garden design a tranquil zen garden with a several parts, minimalist rock formations and small water features for relaxation and meditation. Wildflowers meadow allow a section of your yard to grow wild with native wildflowers to attract pollinators and add natural beauty. Fire pit gathering space create a seating area around a fire pit for a gathering with friends and family on cool evenings. Container garden use cooler pots containers to grow flowers, shrubs or even vegetables adding pops of color greenery and your outdoor space. So kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon and also like this video. And this video share to your friends. Remember to consider your climate, available space and personal preference when planning your indoor and outdoor garden. Happy garden. So kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon and also like this video. You can see gardening tips. There are many gardening ideas in this video, so you can see easily. Wall art arrange a collection of metal tents and artistic patterns on a wall and plant different flowers and succulents in them. This creates a unique living wall art piece. Miniature fairy garden. Create a miniature fairy garden inside a metal tin by adding small plants, tiny figures and vegetable accessories. Vertical fabric or take a multiple metal tins, wooden block and hang your kitchen wall for a space saving vertical herb garden. Indoor tree planter. Use a large metal tin planter or plastic planters to use a small indoor tree like a ficus or rubber plants. The metallic finishes and complement modern industrial decor. So here are some ideas about decor our garden. Remember to provide proper drainage for your plants by drilling holes in bottoms of the tins and plastic bottles and plastic pots. So here are gardening ideas. So today's video this is called gardening ideas. So you can see in this video gardening tips and tricks. You can change your garden with these ideas. So kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon and also like this video. And this video share to your friends. Bye bye.